Welcome to the MS English. Today we are going to learn types of verbs in a very simple and smart way. Action verb. Action verb shows action. Examples: run, eat, write, play, etc. She runs fast. In this sentence, run is an action verb. Stative verb. Stative verb shows state or condition. Examples: know, love, like, believe, etc. I know the answer. In this sentence, know is a stative verb. Helping verb or auxiliary verb. Helping verb helps the main verb. Examples: am, is, are, have, has, will, etc. She is singing. In this sentence, the word is has been used as a helping verb. Modal verb. Modal verb shows ability, permission, possibility. Examples: can, could, may, might, must, etc. He can swim. In this sentence, can is a modal verb. Transitive verb. Transitive verb needs an object. Example: she eats an apple. In this sentence, eat is a transitive verb. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verb does not need an object. Example: he sleeps. In this sentence, sleep is an intransitive verb. Regular verb. A regular verb is a verb that forms its past tense and past participle by adding ed, d or id to the base form. Examples: play, played, work, worked, play, work. These are regular verbs. Irregular verb. An irregular verb is a verb that does not form its past tense and past participle by simply adding ed. Instead, its form changes in a different way. Examples: go, went, eat, ate. Here, go, eat. These are irregular verbs. Quick revision. Action verbs: run, eat. Stative verbs: know, love. Helping verbs: is, have. Modal verbs: can, may. Transitive verb needs object. Intransitive verb no object. Regular verb ed form. Irregular verb different form. Identify the type of verb. She is eating an apple. Comment your answer. Like this video, comment your answer, subscribe to the MS English. Follow our Facebook page, the MS English, for daily English tips.